Children, it is a activity page 17 for day 15. Activity page 17 for day 15. It is a activity about the addition of decimals. While adding the decimals, decimal point of one decimal number must come below the decimal point of the other. Then you can add the decimal numbers. Children, observe the model example and add the decimal. First one is 0.50 plus 0.75. Here you observe the children, observe the decimal point of the first one and second one are one below the other. Now here you add 0 and 5, 0 plus 5, 5 you write here, and add 5 and 7, 5 plus 7 is 12, you write 2 here and put the decimal point. Here decimal point must come below the decimal point only. Now you write 1 in the integer place. So you got the answer, you got the sum 1.25. Children, take one more model example. 324.542 plus 243.953. Here also the decimal points are one below the other. Now add this 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, right? And 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 9, 5 plus 4 is 5 plus 9 is 14. You write 14 here and write the decimal point and 1 carry. 4 plus 3 plus 1, that becomes 8. 4 plus 4, 8. And 2 plus 4, 6. Then 3 plus 2, 5. You got 568.495. 568.495, that is the sum. Now here the sum of these two, you take one below the other in such a way that decimal point must come one below the other and add them. You will get the sum and verify. Then next one, 4.8 plus 0.97. Here you observe decimal point are one below the other. Here you take 0 and add 0 and 7 and write here. And next you add 8 and 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. So write this 17 means 1 carry. You will get 5.77. Then you take next one, 484.324 plus 767.73. Here you take 0. No digit are there. So you take 0 and add as usual method. Then you take these two one below the other and find the sum. Then 8.50 plus 4.46, 758.247 plus 426.685. Then you add these two, take one below the other. That is 5,626.0287 plus 1,034.6374. Then you take 83.54 plus 26.45. Then 9,242.574 plus 3,424.980. Here the sum is got here. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 carry. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. And 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4. Again here you got 6. Then 9 plus 3, 12. So you got what you got here, that is 12,667.554. 12,667.554. Here also you take one below the other and you will get the answer that you verify here. Then 48.23 plus 62.85. Add these two. Then you take 6,787.404 plus 0436 means 436.876. Here this is 436 means you can take 0 below the 6. Then you take these three fractions one below the other and add them. And while taking these fractions one below the other, decimal point must come one below the other. That you have to verify. Here 94.47 plus 32.81, 5327.057 plus 39.832. Then take all these one below the other and find the sum. What are they? 903.264, 623.325, 205.432. Take one below the other in such a way that the decimal point must come one below the other. Then you take 38.52 plus 7.45, 623.348 plus 6965.729. Then 859.437 plus 382.265 and 504.426. Here you observe each one and take one below the other. Otherwise it becomes difficult for you. So you take one below the other, and while taking one below the other, decimal point must come one below the other. That is the condition here. Otherwise you can't add properly, you can't get the sum properly. So children, take the numbers one below the other in such a way that the decimal point must come one below the other. So you take next subtraction of decimals. You know the method of adding the decimals. Here we have to subtract one decimal from the other, and here first one is 0.90 minus 0.85. Here also you must take the numbers, decimal numbers in such a way that the decimal point must come one below the other. So it is 0.90 minus 0.85, and the subtraction is same as normal subtraction. So 0 minus 5, you know that you must take 1, that 10 minus 5, and it becomes 10 minus 5 is 5. Then what is remaining here? 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So you got the answer 0.05. Then you take the one more example. What is that? 369.64 minus 234.95. Here also observe the decimal points are one below the other. Now 4 minus 5, you know that it is 14. We have to take carry here, that becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 14 minus 5 is 9. 14 minus 5 is 9. Then here what is remaining? 5. Again you carry, that becomes 15. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9, that is 6. You will get 6 here. Then here what is remaining? 8. 8 minus 4 is 4, and 6 minus 3 is 3, and here 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So you got the answer 134.69. So what is the answer you got? 134.69. That is the answer. Then you take the next one. Here 7453.7964 minus 2842.987. Here again we must take one below the other in such a way that the decimal point must come one below the other. So how will you take? 7453.7964 minus here 987, like this way. Here you take 0 and you subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4, and 16 minus 7, here 6 minus 7 is not possible. Here you have to carry 1 from the 9, that becomes 16. 16 means 16 minus 7, you will get 9. Here 8 is remaining, 8 minus 8, 0. Then 17 minus 9, 17 minus 9 is 8. Here 2 is remaining, 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. And 14 minus 8, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So you got 4610 minus 8094. Similarly, you take 7.98 minus 0.45, 734.65 minus 257.73, 4523.5863 minus 2107.6755. Then 9.32 minus 3.08. 798.27 minus 583.45, 7642.0527 minus 1025.6840. If you take this one, it becomes 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here 4 is remaining. Again 14 minus 7, 7. Here 7 is remaining. 7 minus 4, 3. And 8 minus 6, 8 minus 2, 6. 63.79. Now you come here. Take this one. 465.574 minus 254.980. Here 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 8 means 17 minus 8, 9. Here 4 is remaining. 14 minus 9, 5. Here 4 is remaining. 4 minus 4, 0. And 6 minus 5, 1. And 4 minus 2, 2. Here 4 minus 0, 4. 17 minus 8, 9. And then 14 minus 9, 5. Here 4 minus 4, 0. And 6 minus 5, 1. Then 4 minus 2, 2. 210.594 you got. Similarly, here take this one. 872.934 minus 433.675 minus 243.340. Now first you get the sum of these two as they are having same sign. So take 433.675 minus plus, here you do the addition of the same sign, 243.340. One thing, or otherwise first you subtract this from this, after that then you subtract this from this. That also you can do here. Here what is the sum of these two? 5, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 carry, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 plus 4, 7, 6, 7, 7. Now you take this one. 872.934 minus 677.015 point comes here. Now you subtract. 14 minus 5, 9. Here 3 means 1 is already over. So it becomes 12 minus 2 minus 1, 1. Then here 9. Point 12 minus 7, 5 you will get. And here 6 is there. 16 minus 7, 9. Then 7 minus 1, 195.919 is the answer. So add the same sign, then you subtract. Then you take here 47.53 minus 34.85. 47.53 minus 34.85. Then 687.404 minus 406.376. Here also 3 decimals are there. 924.765 minus 582.053 minus 362.651. Take this one below the other, find the sum. After that, subtract that sum from this. Follow the same steps. Then you take 98.47 minus 34.56. Next 527.057 minus 306.832. Then you take 902.564 minus 638.465 minus 0.432. Here you get the sum of these two and subtract the sum from this 902.564. Next you take 39.52 minus 07.65, 923.348 minus 629.4752, 826.101 minus 245.234 minus 033.460. Here you get the sum of these two and subtract the sum from this 826.101. In this way, by using the given hint, children subtract the decimals.